In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Help Chat on Weebly. If you're working on your website and need quick, reliable help, the built-in chat makes it easy to get answers without leaving your dashboard. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, what to type, and how to make the most of your conversation so you can get back to building faster. Start by logging into your account. Open your browser, head to Weebly's sign-in page, and enter your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll be right where you manage your site. Being logged in is important because support can better understand your setup and, when needed, reference details tied to your account. A quick reminder for safety. Never share passwords, full payment details, or other sensitive information in the chat. If support ever needs to verify ownership, they'll guide you through secure methods inside the platform. Next, look for the Help button or the small question mark icon. Depending on your screen size or the version you're using, it may appear in the top navigation, along the side panel, or as a floating icon near the corner of the page. If you don't spot it immediately, scroll a little or expand any collapsed menus. You're simply opening the support panel so you can choose how you want to get assistance. From the Help panel, select Chat Support. This is the option that connects you to a live agent or an automated assistant that can hand you off to a person when needed. The wording may vary slightly, but the goal is the same. Start a real-time conversation. If you see additional resources like guides or FAQs, those are great for quick reading, but for direct help, choose the chat option. Now type your question in the message box. Be clear and specific so support can understand the issue right away. Include what you're trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what you're seeing instead, such as any on-screen messages. If it's about a particular page or feature, mention the page name or feature area. Keep it concise, and avoid pasting any private information. Clear context helps the agent respond with targeted steps instead of guessing. Send your message and wait for a reply. Leave the chat window open and keep an eye on notifications. Initial responses can take a moment. If the agent asks for clarification, respond in the same thread so the full context stays together. Stay patient, follow the guidance you receive, and you'll typically resolve issues much faster than going back and forth over email. And that's all you need to use Help Chat on Weebly with